Hello, everybody. Today I will share with you um, the upcoming course that I am planning to do. Hopefully, I will finish it before the end of the year. And in this course, honestly speaking, I want you to learn the automation or the AI automation the right way. So, in this course, honestly speaking, I will not teach you a specific tool. I will teach you the foundation, and then we then we're gonna use other tools. We'll use probably N8N, Make, or Zapier, or all three of them. There is no specific like I haven't yet completely finished the structure of the course, but I have something in mind. What I'm planning to do is I will have section for the foundation, which is the foundation. And in this foundation section, I will teach you all the necessary tools and or not exactly all the necessary, but the most common tools that will probably use and the technical knowledge or the necessary technical knowledge that you need. This is I think from what I have experienced and from what I have seen in other people workflows and so on. Um, in this foundation, honestly, I will try to grab the most common things that you will need. Hopefully, this will teach you the technical knowledge or the needed technical knowledge in order for you to use any tools. Okay, or if there is a new tool that will appear, you will probably be able to use it without any much efforts and so on. All what you need to do to learn this new tool is basically to experience the UI itself. So yeah, this is honestly the purpose of this course. I don't want you to copy paste without you knowing what you are copy pasting, and you have the needed skills in order for you to really modify and adjust this workflow that you just copied and pasted and so on. Or you also have the ability to create your own automation without probably trying to watch videos and so on and trying to copy paste what people do. You are creative, and you are being creative, and you are being innovative as well. So in this course, I'm planning to have many sections, and the first section, honestly speaking, is the section that I think it's the most crucial section for non-technical people. I will talk about things like webhook. What is a webhook? I will talk about JSON versus XML. I'll talk about API and what is a request, what is a response, and the different methods that you need in the API. I will talk about things like get and post, things you see honestly, probably, yeah, but also batch. I'll talk about different things and so on. So the things that you see in your automation, so those are like I want to in this course, honestly speaking, to give you the necessary knowledge that you need in order for you to be able to tackle any new tools or tackle any existing tools without much effort, like without much technical effort. So I'm planning to talk about also brief about programming language, programming, uh, how is it? Programming, what? Yeah, programming language, and I will talk about JavaScript. I will give you, I will teach you some basic or some foundations of JavaScript. So basically, um, yeah, I'm trying to give you the most common things or the most technical common things that you need. So basically, you would use any tools um, like easily. I will talk about briefly about databases and yeah, I'm planning to also add more topics to the foundation if it's necessary, okay? Or if you feel like this is something I will have to do, just let me know what topics that you want me to talk about. I'm thinking about talking about Docker, but yeah, like I'm just still finalizing the structure of the course, but I'm planning to do it this way: the foundation, which is the necessary tools or the technical necessary tools and knowledge that you need in order to use any tool for the automation. And then in other sections, probably I'll talk about how to use N8N or practically using N8N, make.com, and Zapier or Zapier, for example, and Zapier. So yeah, this is basically it. This is the most core foundation knowledge that you need. Um, yeah, I mean in the course I will try to do this in the foundation. Probably more stuff will be added here. Probably the naming here will be different, and the the titles will be different, but this is like kind of an overview of what I'm going to do in this course. So yeah, let me know if you need any specific topic in this, or what are the things that you want me to include. But yeah, I have already saw specific pattern in the automations that I have built, and in the automations of other people as well. So yeah, I just want you to learn those foundations, and then yeah, from there you will be able to hopefully be um, like have the bare technical knowledge that you need in order for you to become um, like creative and build your own automation without much um, like how to say it, without much um, like without much effort or much searching and trying to um, ask people and so on. And yeah, so yeah, so finally, this is the the, the main purpose of this course, is to give you all the necessary um, knowledge, and thus you will be able to use any new tools easily. N8N, Make, Zapier, or any new tool that will that will that probably will see different tools in the upcoming days or the next year. So all you need to do at that moment, if you have the knowledge, then you would just need to experience the tool itself, the UI, and so on. But yeah, and just get familiar with the tool. But the knowledge itself, the webhook, if we use a tool for a webhook, you would use it easily. Just you know how to use this in the new tool, and that's it. And yeah, that's it very much for this video, and see you soon.